Get acquainted with the 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Jetta, the compact sedan that's tastefully understated, practical, and fun to drive. Its impressive fuel efficiency, smooth ride, zesty performance, and numerous safety features make it ideal for families and commuters. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Feel energized and confident in this well-equipped Jetta. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.